Have you heard of TRB?
On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alex O, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. What you know about juice? Making them moves. Data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof. A building portfolios taking well over exceptional gain. I'm chopping this game. So participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pan full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an outer game with an auto flame. With a lot of hate. Get above the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Drapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me, but it's TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alex O, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alex O, crypto. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alex O, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alex O, crypto. 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 On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alex O.
What's up? Good morning, good morning, good morning. What do you guys think? Quite a tune, eh? Have you heard of TRB? What's going on out of gang, 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 bang, bang, bang. Well, we're at a spot where we could pop or we could drop. Typically, Thursdays are dump days. How you doing? French Toaster saying it slaps. Lunar Beach's crypto. He got early access. That guy got early access. Groovy, baby. Groovy, baby. Darren does things saying it bangs. She bangs, she bangs. Oh, baby. Oh, baby. G Corp, let's go. Let's go. I expect everybody to ask, have you heard of TRB? How we all doing this morning? How we all doing? Are we looking for that short? I was looking for that short this morning. Bitcoin. Coming up to the previous highs, baby. Can we push? Can we push? What do you guys think? I think we get a little bit of a rejection here. I'm feeling the rejection, you know? What do you guys think? Good morning, farmer. Have you heard of TRB? Have you? I think farmer loves TRB. What's going on, my man? Hope you're having a wonderful morning, man. Wonderful morning. And got stopped out of a small short. Yeah. I was looking for a short up here. I was about to click the button, you know, and I was like, I got a live stream, you know? I got a live stream, so we got to be a little bit careful here in this situation, eh? Because we got some We got some massive things going on here in the beautiful world of crypto. We got some beautiful Santa Claus rally possibilities. We got an ETF that, like, why do they plop the ETF right after New Year's? Why do they do that? Sorry about that. Had to blow my nose a little bit. You know, sometimes in the morning you get a little bit of allergies going on. The allergy pill hasn't kicked on. Is that Trib K coin? Multiplies like crazy, deadly to Klingons? Tribble coin. I think that's past. That went over my head. That went over my head. Maybe I'm too young, farmer. Maybe I'm too young. I think I'm too young for that. Thesis is long, any dumps as I'm not in a long. Yeah, so I'm of the believer that we are going to pump into this ETF news. I'm of the believer. I'm a believer too. Like, because I'm Canadian, I have to believe in Justin Bieber. So they call us believers. Hey, man. I could drive to his hometown if you're a believer. I think Farmer's a believer. Farmer alternates between Tool and Beaver. I mean, believer. Oh, man. It's that money flow, man. It's that money flow. It's that money flow. I don't know Star Trek. I'm not a Trekkie. I don't. What is this thing? This is like, I don't know. Ninja Turtles. That's Ninja Turtles to me. Ninja Turtles, right? Or is it 4 fingers or is it 3 fingers Ninja Turtles? Ah. 2-day and 3-day money flow and VWAPs are prime for upside. Yeah, absolutely. I was flipping through. You always got to do the flip through in the morning. If we pump, we're going to negate this red dot too, right? We're going to negate this red dot. So we might still print it. The other ones have printed it, which is okay. This VWAP. This VWAP on the 3-day too, Darren. Ooh, look at that. That's aggressive posturing too for the stochastics. It's very aggressive. See a little bit of a curl and drag, man. That's pretty wild. Yeah, fake out pending. It's pretty wild, man. Bitcoin's looking to have a little move. What's the thought this morning? We'll jump into the immediate future here. We'll go into the 30-minute and we'll take a look at Bitcoin here. And I was just looking at this and I'm like, okay, double top, looking for a short possible continuation of this trend line. Very nice. Okay. Very nice. We're up in key volume here. So we're outside of the range. However, this is starting to look like multiple ranges, right? You have this one down here and then you have this one up here, but we're not. It's pretty tight, right? It's pretty tight. But there's a lot of volume traded up here, right? There's a lot of volume before they dump skied on us. So I go into the 15 here. And I took a long here last night. I got out early. I took a long right here. And I got out quite early, actually. I set because it was late. I don't like to trade when I sleep. So I took a long here. A little like 11% profit. It was nice. All the things were confirming. Stop loss below the swing low here. So that was nice. I could have let it run, right? But then I would have, checking your phone when you sleep and stuff like that's not in my forte, right? So I just paid myself early at the top here. So, but what's going on in the near future? So we got like a double top here. Beautiful double top. Failure to make the swing high here. However, if we do put up a higher high here and get rejected, we could be looking for a bear div here on the actual, I think I saw it on the 1 hour here. Yeah, so you can get, If we push it up and we get a higher high here, we could be looking for a bear div on the 1 hour. That could bring us down. Okay, so we're very aware of that. Very aware of that. Okay, we do get up and rejection. We would like to see this creep a little bit more. Maybe a little bit of sideways. I mean, it is market open coming up. A little bit of sideways. Just so that this momentum wave can kind of work its way higher. And then maybe come down. And then we will have just a continuation. So, very careful about that. You guys are looking at Solana, eh? Solana just keeps on going. The little engine that could, eh? Look at this thing. My God. So we're at our next level of resistance. Looks like it's flipped 82. Wow. That's pretty cool, Toaster. Anybody long this? I mean, it's a nice gradual climb too. Like, nice gradual climb here. I mean, gradual. If you want to say that's gradual, then go right ahead. Maybe I'm wrong. Yeah, it's not breaking this massive, massive push here. Wow. $87 Solana, guys. Altcoin Corey, B Team Crypto in the chat, man. What's going on, guys? Good to see you. Daddy Zach. Daddy Zach. Did you guys hear the new Alex O Crypto song? We're busting the new Alex O Crypto.
On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alex O, crypto. Fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O.
Ooh, let's push.
What you know about juice? Making the moves. That of low casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolio, taking well over exceptional pain. I'm trapping this. So
Let's make some
participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pan full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an auto game with an auto flame with a lot of hate. Get above the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Grapes in these waters forbidden. Well, indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB.
Don't look at me for the TRB.
On the come up,
Let's
better
go.
sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alex O, crypto. Fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alex O, crypto. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alex O,
I appreciate
crypto.
you guys.
Fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet,
The
yo.
91's gonna
Stay
be your
true to the
your
digital.
your big resistance.
Crypto.
Okay, on Solana.
Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O, crypto. Alex O.
Yes, he does do the Investing Bros outro song. Yes, you got that right, Toaster. You got that right, Toaster. Absolutely. Now, we're going over here. We're going over to Twitter, okay? I'm sorry about this, guys. However, Elo Brown, a community member, he actually gifted this to me for Christmas. Okay? So, shout out to Elo Brown and his kindness. You know, he just randomly reached out to me and said, you know, where is it? Where is it? So Elo Brown reached out to me. He was like, hey, I just wanted to hook you up with my friend. My friend here, he does, here it is. Elo Brown, man. Thanks, bro. So he hooked me up with this for Christmas. He was just like, hey, man, I have a friend. He makes He makes music. I wanted to gift you this. He put me in touch with the guy. I gave him the criteria. I was like, okay, we want some beatbox and some funkiness, and also some. Have you heard of TRB, the Forbidden Water? And that's it, in the Otter Gang. So, thank you, Elo Brown. Shout out to you, my friend. That's awesome, man. Giver's Gain, man. That's Giver's Gain. That's straight up Giver's Gain. We got some interesting things going on here.
I don't know what you think it is in the cards, but what
do you guys think?
Do you think it's already in the asset right now, if you want to call it an asset? Is it already there?
Is it already there?
Once it happens, do you expect it to go to new highs, or it just seems like we've already paid a lot of it forward with the move we saw from, I mean, it was as low as 17,000 this year.
Sure. Well, Joe, I'm not one to make price predictions, but I do think there is a lot of optimism again in the market. I think a lot of investors are adding Bitcoin to their portfolios. And when we look ahead to the hopeful approval for spot Bitcoin ETFs, it really is going to unlock the opportunity to a part of the investment community that, for better or worse, but I would say for worse, has unfortunately been locked out of the opportunity to participate in having Bitcoin exposure in their portfolios. So we're really talking about the advised market here in the U.S., which is today about $30 trillion worth of advised wealth that we hope the approval of spot Bitcoin ETFs, the uplisting of GBTC, will allow for that opportunity and for those investors to partake in it as well.
$30 trillion. Holy shit. $30 trillion. What do you guys think about that, guys? What do you guys think about that? What do you guys think about that? Are you down for some $30 trillion coming into to some Bitcoin? Hey, guys, so this is the thing. I always recommend don't celebrate too early, okay? Don't celebrate too early. Because if you celebrate too early, this is typically what happens, okay? Look at these guys. Look at this guy. All right. That got me this morning. Guys, is this going to be you? Walking into family Christmas, Bitcoin up 160%. Hey, Merry Christmas, motherfuckers. Oh, man. Oh, man. I don't know. I think I'm having too much fun this morning, guys. I'm in a good mood. Me managing my $143 portfolio, guys. Look at this guy's setup, man. That was like the Bruins in the playoffs last year. Yeah, man. Best regular season victories, and the Bruins just shit the bed. Yeah. Okay, the fun fact, the U.S. government has 69,000 Bitcoin belonging to them. That's roughly about $3 billion, okay? I thought that was interesting. Okay, enough of me on Twitter. Wow, Solana, man. Solana. Okay. So we look to continue to push here. We have our key resistance above us. We are in that area where, it's not necessarily a great idea for a long if you are scalping, maybe. We took the long from down here last night. We are out of that trade because we got in and out like a good Boy Scout, okay? The best Leafs did the best Leafs impression ever. Yeah. We're the only leaf that falls in the spring, okay? Near protocol, yeah. Near has been pumping as well. So what I'm looking for is a rejection here. If we get a higher high, nice bear div, that's what I'd be looking for this morning. I'm not going to trade it because I'm not I'm not trading today. I got a busy schedule ahead of me today. I will be in the Discord to try and help you guys, but I got a busy schedule. Got things to do. Got wrapping. Got all that Christmas stuff. We got to move a bunch of tables, put in the leaves. We got like 18 people coming for Christmas, so and I got to set it all up. Yay! I sent some pictures. But we'll be busy today. Let's take a look at Near for you, my friend. We're also looking at BNB. So we'll look at AVAX has put in the new high, which is something we have to know about. Okay, new high, invalidating that head and shoulders pattern that we were looking at. Where's Near? Near, far, wherever you are. Okay, I'll shut up. Just type it in, Alex O'Crypto. But I have TA on the other ones. Okay, there we go. Aha, I picked the right one. My God. We were doing TA when it was down at $2.30. Now it's at $3.50. I only half caught what you said yesterday about not streaming as much to trade more or something. Yeah, so I'm not streaming as much. I'm going to be streaming in the evening. I'm going to come out and I'm going to come out. You got me. Clip that. I'm going to start doing an update video in the morning. So I'll come through, I'll do Bitcoin and whatever alts I'm looking at. Quick rundown of what trade setups I'm looking at. Then I'll be in the Discord. And then in the evening, depending on if there's a Leafs game or not, in the evening, I hope to go live around 7, 8 o'clock consistently Monday to Friday. So it's not like I won't be streaming every day. It's just the live stream will be put into the evening. An update video in the morning. And anything else you'll get randomly, but that will be the consistency. Just I need to be trading the market open. I've missed so many moves, and it's frustrating because my job is to trade. My job is, it's all fine and dandy helping out and making videos and stuff like that. But I'm 600 subscribers. We're a new channel. We want to grow and stuff like that. But this isn't my primary source of income, so trading has to come first. And that's just it, right? That's just it. It's traders helping traders, right? That's the whole point of this group is that, I've broken free from a well-paying job and I've replaced my income with trading, right? So look at the funding rate. It's the highest it's ever been. Funding rate is the highest it's ever been, right? It's absolutely bonkers. Look at this push. We're going to get that higher high right now. So yesterday we did get a friggin' massive dumparelli on the S&P too. We're going over Near, man. You guys get me distracted in this chat here. We're going over Near. So Near's fucking flying. And now I'm swearing. Good thing I clicked the button that said this is not for kids. This is not for kids. That's cool. I'm good with the evening streams. I keep missing your morning lives. That's okay, man. That's okay. Love you anyways, farmer. You're always here. Appreciate you, brother. It's okay. We all have lives, right? It's just, I just need to be traded, man. That's just the basics, okay? Whew. Okay, so Near's looking to hunt out this $4.16 here. And we do have this little volume spike of support and resistance. I'd pull this up higher. That's going to be your main level of resistance, and that's going to be your support. So going back over to Near here, now that we've gotten some ideas of where Near, far, wherever you are, can go. Massive pump. Add these levels to your charts. So flip this to support, which we had marked out already. So we said this is going to be your key level of resistance. It popped off. It came back, retested, continued its way upwards, okay? So now it's in price. It's not price discovery because there's previous price, but it's in price discovery for this year where it is pushing up, right? So Naturally, with things like this, you are looking for a little bit of a retrace. However, in comparison to other charts, we always talk about this on this channel, is that if we're comparing where Bitcoin is trading compared to where other projects are trading, Bitcoin's trading up here. Just generally, visually speaking, Bitcoin's trading up here. So move up to these levels. Your major resistance is definitely up at $4. Okay, so that's gonna be your major resistance. That's when you actually get some very thick volume. But until you get up there, I mean, it's pretty smooth sailing. There's not a hell of a lot holding you down. A beautiful move from near. But look for more healthy consolidation. If this continues sideways and down a bit, that's fine. It's looking to fly and continue its way upwards. Very nice move for near, though. Very nice move. So look for it to possibly come back to this $3.11 and then continue its way upwards. Also, draw this trend line for momentum. See if it respects it and continues its way as well. Okay, up 21%. That's amazing. That's amazing. D. Jenny from the blockchain. What's going on, man? What's going on, my brother? Happy Thursday, man. I hope you have a wonderful holidays. Merry Christmas. I'm not one of these people who say happy holidays. I'm definitely a protester of happy holidays. I'm a Merry Christmas kind of guy. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas to all you guys, man. Hope you're having a wonderful, wonderful, wonderful holiday season, okay? I feel my pecker tingling, balls are jingling too. Why don't I link them together so I put my pecker in you? Oh, sorry. I didn't mean to say that. Oh, man. We're having too much fun today. Too much fun today. We got the new music soundtrack. We're excited, man. We're excited. It just brings joy to my heart to be able to do this and have the opportunity to hang out with you guys every morning. Now it'll be in the evening. We'll see who shows up in the evening. We'll see who shows up. We'll see. I'm driving and love the stream on the way to work. Evening streams will be lit. And God bless us, everyone. Yeah, that's it, right? That's it. God bless you all. BNB, baby. BNB breaking out, man. Kyle gave this setup in the Discord saying he was buying BNB looking for the retest of this breakout. We got a very strong downtrend here coming at us, so we're approaching that. Thank you, Kyle, for the setup. Looking at this breakout, flip to support, popping off. Look at that, massive flip to support. Okay, so your next level is above us here. Happy holidays. You just happy holidays us. Merry Christmas, Mark. Merry Christmas, man. My favorite Dutch oven around, man. Merry Christmas, man. Mark Dutch in the house. Give Tino our love. Give Tino our love. BNB looking to continue upwards. Look for this to hold. Okay. 270 to hold. Beautiful move up. We got a downwards trend line at about 280. Then your next support's 282. Or resistance. Your next resistance. Merry Christmas, Mark. We changing this happy holiday shit, man. We changing it. Boom, boom, boom. Solana approaching the key level of resistance, which is at $91. Be aware of that $91. Okay, when you zoom out and you look at the beautiful, beautiful $91, this is an entry into this big volume range here. So be aware. That's going to be the schlap. You're entering a volume range actually as we speak here. We can bring this up a little bit now. But yeah, that's going to be your key level of resistance. Smash that like, fam. Come on, fam. You know Toronto, bruv? Oh, man. Toronto slang, man. Toronto slang is sleazy. Come on, Bitcoin. Make that higher high. Get us all excited here. Push up. We want this higher high, lower low, baby. Come on. Come on. You got it. I already made Tino call you out in his live in front of 1,700 viewers. Don't know if he appreciated that, though. Oh, man. I appreciate you, Mark. Merry Christmas, man. We clipped it. It's somewhere within the clips. Shall we play the song again for all the people who are just showing up? Alex O Crypto song now. You guys are gonna get sick of this song. I'm just getting it started earlier.
On it come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though.
ETF
Pocket
coming.
fat when the chips low.
Santa Claus is here, man.
Crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto.
Alexo Crypto.
Crypto. Alexo, crypto. What you know about juice? Making the moves. Data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof. A building portfolios taking well over exceptional gain. I'm trapping this game. So participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pan full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's the auto game with an auto flame. With a lot of hate. Get above the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Grapes in these waters forbidden. Well, indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On it come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto. Fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. On it come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto. Fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto.
Gotta go, of course, and smash that like. Thank you, Mark. Much love, brother. Much love, brother. Have a wonderful, wonderful day. Here we go. Ho, ho, ho. Make that higher high. Just come up and touch the top here, man. Just touch it. Just touch it. What are extension levels? We can look at some extension levels to kind of find out where we think price can go. So let's do that. Let's jump into it. I know, I'm just having too much fun this morning. Sorry about that, guys. And just, I'm excited, man. I'm excited. Let's see an extension from here. Okay, so we get, oh, look at that. Pretty much hitting to the spot. 618's at 45. 550. Okay, so I don't know about that extension. Let's try this extension. Let's go from here down to here. Let's see what confluence we get. We want to see touches, baby. Okay. That's nice. That's nice. However, I'm not convinced on that extension. Let's try it from here. This high to this low. Ooh. Now we talking, baby. Now we talking. Now you see you get confluence with your 618. Swing high. Well, we can go swing low. Yeah, swing high to the start of the move. Okay, this was put in the higher high, but this is where the down move started. So we'll start from here down to here. Look at this, 618. Beautiful, beautiful 618. Okay, so our full extension is up to this 2 area here. So we could be looking for a perfect topping, double topping area. Are we shorting Bitcoin, Huck? Good morning. Well, we're playing music. We're hanging out. We're laughing at some people on Twitter. We're aware that BTC has The funding rate is through the roof. Very bullish scenario for Solana. BNB. Near has pumped off its tits. Okay. Some very big moves here. Some very big moves. We got Solana 7%. What else do we got here? Near 23%. Wow. Cosmos, Uniswap. Okay. Avalanche 4%. Ooh, let's zoom in a bit. Any crazy? It's wild. Oasis. Do you guys know about Oasis? A lot of little small cappers, okay? A lot of small cappers. Everything looking green, but it's Thursday. Thursdays are typical dump days. Pardon me. Thursdays are typical dump days. However, the momentum's to the upside. So we're not trying to fight the trend right now. What we're doing is we're looking for a bearish divergence here on the higher term time frames. Coming up, taking out the highs, grabbing that liquidity up here. That would be nice to see. Let's see. What's it telling us? Oh, look. That lines up perfectly with our extension level. Okay. We got our extension here. The 618's been tapped. It's respected. Let's see if it gets rejected at 44,800, okay? That'll be an interesting area to see if we can take out the highs, grab that liquidity up here, in continuation. So let's check out the 3 hour. We've been getting some 3 hour signals off of chart prime here. So we'll check out the 3 hour. What's the 3 hour saying here? Get rid of the fib. You get a strong buy signal. Now you're getting a reversal signal. So reversal signal is typically given, and then you get the retrace up and then the drop down. So this would be in confluence with our plan here for a swing failure to the upside and a rejection with a bearish divergence. Okay, so that's a bit of confluence. Let's see. Let's go to the 2 hour. Let's see if it's still saying the same thing. It does take a little bit of time to load. That's my only critique of Market Oracle Pro. Besides that, it's very accurate. Does a very good job. So no reversal signal here, eh? So that's interesting. Kyle dropped some link TA in the Discord. Kyle's always giving, man. Thank you, Kyle. Alt TA. Chain link. We are looking to confirm very soon against the resistance of the ascending triangle. We just need candle close above $15.08. Thanks, brother. Hey, Kyle, you got the same trend line as me. Breaking out. Let's go. Okay. I like it. I like it. That's what I mean. Traders helping traders, man. That's why we give away everything for free. That's why we have people in our Discord who share their charts because they're traded, right? This was the whole point of creating this channel, is for everybody to collaborate and give ideas so that we can all benefit, collective minds to the upside, right? If we can all work together. Okay, I see what you're talking about here, Kyle. See? He's giving us a hunting path here. Look at this. Okay, so this is a nice little breakout happening on Link. Nice spot, Kyle. See, Kyle's always watching a whole bunch of things. I try, man, but that's why we have to have multiple eyes on the charts. I want more Link. Yeah, tell me about it. I bought 1,000 Link, so I got 1,000 Link. A good old psychological number. You can do the math, I don't care. But I have 1,000 Link. 1,000 Link. Ooh. I got receipts too if you want to see. So we got this. Yeah, okay. Retest. Popping off. $1 million. Let's go to the 4 hour. Let's pull the volume. The volume looks actually quite low on this range. Yeah, we're above it. Breaking out of the point of control retest. You're going to have major resistance here, I think. Alex, you need to update your setup over there. I'll help you. What setup is that? My Discord setup? My volume setup? My Streamlabs setup? I mean, I swing a hammer, man. New screens and all. Oh, okay. I always love your help, man. Thank you, friend. Thank you, friend. Make it prettier for everybody. As long as it's better for everybody, I'm always down for improvement, man. I love criticism. Bring on the criticism. Tell me what I can do better. I ain't no nambe-pambe. I can take a little bit of heat, okay? As a carpenter, you get a lot of shit thrown at you when you get shit wrong. Okay. So, like Kyle's saying, waiting for that confirmation, the retest confirmation of the breakout. So, very nice, Kyle. Thank you for sharing that with us. Always appreciate Kyle. I think we got Lunar Beach's crypto coming on for a collab during the holiday season. Kyle and I are going to do a collab. We're going to have Tradefly back on the show. So, you're going to make me sell my link for friggin' a curved ultra-wide 5K monitor? Okay, they're not giving it to us, eh? They're not giving the short to us. Patience is the name of the game, right? Is the name of the game. Strong buy signal here, push up. Yeah. Not convinced. Not convinced. We haven't we've hit the strong buy signal here, but we haven't hit the profit check marks yet. So that's something that Eric Crown always talks about is you get a purple check mark and then a red check mark. So we haven't even gotten a purple check mark yet for the strong buy signal. So this means it typically mean the move isn't over yet, right? The move isn't over yet. So you're looking for a continuation of the upside here. Not missing any of those. Thoughts on CRV? Let's go and look at CRV, baby. Okay, nice uptrend. Possible break of that uptrend, though. Losing support. You want to see it get back up above this. Bonk to $1. Yes. Yes. And cock in you as well. Cock in you and bonk to $1. Cock in you is probably going to hit 69 first. Just as a sarky bastard comment that I would like to have. Poof, if you lose this, my gosh. Let's go CRV, baby. You guys like your CRV, eh? You guys like Hondas? And you're looking at STX. Like what about the WRX Subaru? Please now. You guys into Hondas, eh? Okay, whatever. 4 cylinders of fury, baby. Honda Civics. Honda Civics. It sounds like a friggin' lawnmower. All right. Sheesh. This is ugly, man. This is ugly. Fallen wedge. Everybody likes a good wedgie. you want to consolidate sideways and break out, right? You have support within the smaller range. So if we pull the volume here, I think we'll probably be coming at the point of control. Yeah. So point of control is just below you here. That matches up quite nicely. This is the larger point of control acting as resistance for the big range. Okay, that 61 cent area. So you want to see a bounce off of this level here and some sort of reversal pattern. So with this, you can see the falling wedge here. You got your support here. This is the support I'm talking about, is right here, your point of control at 56 cents. So you want to see a reversal of this trend right now. You want to see it put in new market structure. So you haven't broken the structure yet. You're still putting in lower highs, right? So you could be looking for a double bottom and then a pop off. That's something I'd be looking for. But right now it looks like you want to continue downwards. You failed to break out. It looks like it's going to continue downwards here. Draw this trend line as well. Use it as support. But your 56 cents areas where you're going to be looking for to fire off that long, right? Swing failure pattern, bullish divergence, right? So you want to see this come down and bounce. You want to see the lower low and you want to see the higher low, right? So this would come down here like this, right? You get the higher low and the lower low, and that's where you're looking to fire off along. Or if you push here and you make a higher high, you're looking for the retest of the continuation of the higher low. And then you're looking for the higher low and then the continuation momentum wave to the upside as well. Okay? Until you get something like that, until you get the break of this structure here, or you get the swing failure pattern down here, depending on how you trade. Right? This one's a bit more riskier, a little bit more skill for that one. And you might need a little bit more leniency on your invalidation here. So be looking for a long. I wouldn't be looking for a short right now just because of the market. Falling wedge typically breaks to the upside, right? I mean, if you want to do some, crypto life or stuff, I almost said shit. Whatever works, man. Could be a big move, right? Could be a big move. I stress patience with this one. Okay, STX, then we're doing GNO after STX. STX, wow, okay. Impressive, I mean. Parabolic, man. I don't often draw curves, but when I do, I draw them on STX. All right. We be curving, baby. So with these curves, you typically get pumps and then consolidations, So you got your first pump, your consolidation, your first pump, your consolidation, your first pump, your consolidation, right? So that's how I would look at this right now. So you're coming back to your curve and you look to pop off, right? You look to pop off. Going to the daily. Nice. You're up in this level. So this is a very key level. We'll pull some volume here. We'll take a look. We'll mark out some key levels. Oh, that's good. Your point of control is going to be acting as your support. There's your resistance. There's your value area high. And I think the volume node starts there. So we'll go over here. Take a quick gander. Okay, so you look to hold this level here. This is going to be key to holding STX, and that's going to be $1.40. Okay, $1.40. This does look like exhaustion up top here. This looks like exhaustion to me. So let's go to the 1 hour, see if we can dig in. We got the higher high, lower low, continuation to the downside. This is typical flag behavior. So you can see it's kind of flagging out here. Consolidation to the sideways movements. So it's good. Nice move. Beautiful move, right? Obviously, a lot of fair value gaps below. However, massive move. If you do fall, you do look to fall to $1.35 and this to be invalidated. You could also draw a upwards trend line if this isn't your thing, and you could say that, oh, we could actually just consolidate sideways this way. You could draw that as well. depending on the way you're looking to trade this. Right now, you're looking for this to continue flagging out in a sideways kind of channel here. You can draw the channel. You look for this to come back down and retest this $1.40 area. Okay, and then hopefully you get a bounce, right? Hopefully you get a bounce in this environment. You're looking to long, right? The new Type R is sick. Is it paddle shift though? Is it paddle shift? I'm sorry, I've driven stick my whole life, so that's the problem with see the new Toyota Supra. They made a manual version instead of the paddle shift. Elo Brown, let's give everybody a shout out to Elo Brown. Let's go, Elo.
Undercover, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto.
God bless you, Elo Brown.
Crypto.
Made this happen.
What you know about juice? Making them moves. Data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof. A building portfolios taking well over exceptional gain. I'm trapping this game. Participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pan full of fat pockets.
Let's go.
Bang, that's an otter game with an auto flame. With a lot of hate. Get above the lane. Ain't about the trade. Have another trade. Get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Grapes in these waters forbidden. Well, indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me, but it's TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. Undercover, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto, undercover, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low.
STX.
Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto.
Yeah, boy. God bless you, Elo Brown, man. God bless you. Much love, Elo.
Alexo, crypto.
Alexo, crypto. Fuck yeah, man. That was sweet. Elo Brown, man. Coming through for the Otter Gang. Man, God bless you. Thank you. Best Christmas present. Make sure Mrs. Otter's not around. Because I still want that putter. I still want the putter for golf. The best Christmas present ever. Let's go. You're making me look at Gino, eh? I have an uncle Gino, eh? Hey Gino. You cazzo, Gino. What's it coming on? This looks like an alien. You know, with the double antennas here? Like, it just needs a couple balls up here. And then some eyes. And then a happy face, because it's Christmas, baby. BTC's dumping. Okay. You're at support here for Gino. Long it. That's all I got. You're dumping here. Look for this to hold. If not, you're going back up. You say BTC's dumping. We love you, Elo. Ooh. We're putting in those lows, man. Lows. I told you Fridays or Thursdays, baby. This is dump days. Thursdays, dump days. Coming down, grabbing some liquidation, putting in the lower low. Whew. Okay. Buy the dip, baby. Look how friggin' quick this is getting bought up, man. So quick, man. So quick. So quick, let's zoom in. This is why I would be trading right now, okay? See? Look, beautiful see? This is why we trade this, right? Look at this. Easy. This is easy money, man. Higher high. Bearish divergence. This is easy money, man. Jeez. You got 3. Look how easy this setup is. You got 3 highs, okay? I'd be out already too. I'd be out and paid. You got 3 highs, 3 higher highs, 3 lower lows. It's a Thursday. You're coming up to key resistance here. If you're a short-term time trader, this is the juice that I'm talking about, man. This is the juice, man. They have an AMA tomorrow. Big announcements. Keep your eyes on it. Dot will give the spice. This is beautiful. Elo Brown, God bless you, man. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, man. I appreciate you. Crypto Pollo, cluck, I'm late, but I made it. Man, Christian, mad love to you, man. Merry Christmas to you guys. Thank you guys so much for being here. DCC, you can get them. They come standard. Okay, that's awesome. It's a 6-speed too. Ooh. That's a lot of shifting for my left foot. It's gonna get tired. 3 highs, 3 lower highs, 3 high highs. Yeah, that's the one, man. Look at that. It's like textbook, man. You could even trade this as a head and shoulders pattern, man. Look at that. With the measured move and all that goody good 2 shoes. You know, however you want to call it, it's happening, baby. It's happening. Okay? Now, bigger picture. Now that we've missed that trade and we can complain a little bit, bigger picture is, hey, we are still in this bigger uptrend, okay? We're still in this bigger uptrend. We are coming up to key level of support. If we do drop down to this trend line here, I would look for a bounce, right? I look for a bounce. We have our daily down here, which isn't too significant. But what do we say? What did we say yesterday? We have our key area that we're looking for the bounce, okay? And that's at 42,500. If we lose that, we're coming down. We also have this box down here where I'm looking for a bounce as well. Okay, I'll get rid of this trend line here. We'll keep that one there. Actually, forget that. We'll get rid of this one here. Okay. So we've held this 43,500 level quite strong. Okay, look, we got support and resistance. This is where our volume resides. Okay, so we know that our volume resides in here. It's very thick, and it will hold us here until we lose this 43,500 level, which actually coincides quite nicely with this upwards trend line. Okay, and we've had a nice move here. You can 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 it or whatever, but you're expecting this next wave to the upside, right? That's kind of how you would look at this. So for me, this right here didn't really come low enough to continue on this trend line to be perfect, okay? But if we do swing failure pattern here, we could just be coming down to here and then continuing upwards. So this wave could actually be something like this, because we haven't put in that higher high. If we do get the dump. Okay? Hard to tell right now. All we know is that we've gotten a dump and it's been bought up really fast. Okay? Really fast. Okay? Really fast. Now on the flip side of this, if we go into, let's say, the 4 hour, we're very much overbought, right? We have opportunity to curl down here, but we have a green dot and momentum crossing over. Now we got a money flow. Money flows crossed over. VWAP's paused at the 0 line. So when I'm looking at this, right, I can see that, oh yeah, okay, we're overbought. But what else is being said here? We can see that the money flow is crossing over into the green. We can see the green dot has printed, okay, and we can also see that VWAP has failed to cross over to the downside. So VWAP here Holds the 0 line, looks to continue upwards, okay? Posturing is to the upside. Green, beautiful stochastics continuing upwards, following the momentum waves, the crossover of the money flow, the confirmation of the green dot. So this to me means today, we might still get a continuation to the upside, considering how fast that got bought up, right? Massive, massive buying there, okay? So, yeah, we could cool it down to this 43,500. If we lose that 43,500 level, okay, if we do lose that and we continue down here, we look for the retest of it and then the short there. So we'd be shorting still at 43,500, or we're looking for the short of a more riskier play here with a swing failure pattern to the upside, bearish divergence on the 1 hour, okay? So there's multiple ideas here depending on how you trade. So that's kind of where we're at for Bitcoin. We're looking for a short from up here. We're looking for a short if we break from here. We're also looking for a long from down below here. Okay. We could be looking for a long continuation here if we get a bullish signal on the short-term time frames. Okay. And we're gonna go over to DOT because Pollo is yelling at me. Just kidding. Just kidding. DOT's about to break, baby. Just press buy. Just press buy. That's the TA today, guys. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Here we go. We're making those highs. Just like Avalanche and Solana, right? Just like Avalanche and Solana. 1, 2, 3. We're making those highs. We're about to break out. Beautiful, beautiful observation here, Pollo. We were trading down here. Wow. Okay, so breakout on this, looking to continue upwards. 1 hour green dot. What's the 4 hour saying? The 4 hour is saying continuation to the upside. Money flow crossover, same kind of deal here. Breaking to the upside. Look for this. So be careful. Be careful here. Look for this. Right? Yes, it's making a higher high here, which is important, which invalidates the big head and shoulders pattern, right? Invalidations to get above the middle one here. So, for a little bit of a rejection coming up, man. Might get rejected. Need to be careful. Careful with these things. Having a little bit of a push up, but yeah. Does it have the legs? Volume's coming in. Obviously, market open is in 30 seconds. Volume is coming in, which is nice to see. Bitcoin getting a little bit of rejection. The market typically looks like it's up right now. Yeah. Performance 1 hour. Okay, market's down within the last hour. Okay, so maybe a little bit of a rejection here this morning. So look for a little bit. This could be a possible short opportunity actually on DOT. We've made the higher high. Wait for confirmation. I would get into the nitty gritty here on the 3 minute. I'd wait for something bearish divergence up top here. If not, it looks to fire off. Okay, so it's very risky shorting these tops right now because we know the condition of the market is very bullish. Okay, so we need to be very cautious here. Going over to the S&P because market is opening, guys, just so that we are prepared. We had a massive dump on the S&P yesterday. Okay, massive dump. Okay, we've gapped tremendously to the upside. Tremendously. So big gap. We'll see if we fill it today, if we come down and fill it. But yeah, big, huge, bloody bloodbath waterfall to the downside here on the S&P yesterday. Look at it. It's opened up high and it's pushing back up. So interesting to see. I think they wrecked a lot of people here just pressing buy on the S&P. Look at all these guys just got wrecked. So massive move on the S&P. Aware of that. But could cool down and come down. So be aware of that as well. And then on the Dixie here, looks like a waterfall to the downside continuation. Yep. You can draw this new trend line kind of deal here. Looking to continue to fall down to this 100 level is our target. Our 100 level. We'll see if we get there. So lots of movement this morning. Lots of trades to be had. Bitcoin's getting rejected here, guys. Bitcoin's getting rejected. Look for this trend line, this 43,500 level to hold, okay? Okay, Thursday is a dump day. Remember, Thursday is a dump day. Near getting rejected, link getting rejected, coming back down to test this support. Okay, there's Schaefer's chart. Schaefer's chart's pretty, isn't it? We'll just do Schaefer TA. One morning we'll just do Schaefer TA. Solana, new highs, getting a little bit of a rejection. Look for this $82 to hold. Okay, that's our main holding areas, $82. Look for that to hold. S&P is pushing back against yesterday. Dixie's down, but Bitcoin is falling right now. Okay, so we do have some support coming in. Let's pull the local volume here and let's see. Yeah, so look for this area, possible holding area. Let's see if we pulled the fib from swing low to where the move started. Yeah, we got a golden pocket down here, a 786 area. So we'll watch this area as well for Bitcoin. If you're looking to trade Bitcoin, we'll look for a bounce here. If we lose this level, then we're looking to come lower. Okay. Hope this gets to you guys well, man. That's enough out of me today. I got things to do, people to see, grass to touch, songs to play. All right. Thank you guys so much for your support. I'm truly blessed to have this privilege of hanging out with you guys every morning. We will be changing the live stream to the evening, but we will make update videos and we will be in the Discord. We're pretty much on call. Mrs. Otter says I'm on call on the Discord, right? We got the new track. Thank you, Elo Brown, man. God bless you. Merry Christmas to every single one of you guys. Thank you guys for always being here in the morning, hanging out with me. We'll continue on our merry way. Ho, ho, ho. Enjoy the beautiful end of the song, because we got the song at the end. Because why not? Much love. Peace out.
On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. What you know about juice? Making them moves. Data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof of building portfolios, taking well over exceptional gain. I'm chopping this so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pan full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an outer game with an auto flame. But a lot of hate. Get about the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing guys so pretentious. Drapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me, but it's TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, but it drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. What you know about juice? Making the moves, data flow casual, breaking the news. Revenue proof, a building portfolios taking well over exceptional gain. I'm trapping this so participation ain't a hard knock. I put in the work so you got knowledge. You ain't drawing with luck when you following us. The result is a pair full of fat pockets. Bada bang, that's an utter gang with an auto flame. With a lot of hate, get above the lane, ain't about the trade. Have another trade, get another play. They playing God so pretentious. Drapes in these waters forbidden. Well indeed, that's a felony. Don't look at me for the TRB. Have you heard of TRB? I don't know. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto, on the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my wallet, yo. Stay true to the digital. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. Alexo, crypto. On the come up, better sit low. The product base, better drip though. Pocket fat when the chips low. Alexo, crypto, fit the party like a disco. Fan base like my